Hey guys, today we're installing that trans pan today. KingSpeed trans pan. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you what's up. This is what we're installing today. And I figured I would get while I'm doing it. Some new filters. And some extra transmission fluid because I needed extra 4 quarts. It was just done, so I'm going to filter out the old fluid and then add in the new fluid. And I've got hoses too for the cooler. We're going to switch that out because right now my temperature sender for the trans is in the hoses. So we're going to switch that out and put it into the port on the side here. It's more accurate when it's in the side of the transmission pan. And we're going to put in these transmission lines right here. Got transmission lines. I got the AN fittings already. And I got some extra holders, some billet holders for them. And the ones that go into the side of the trans. And I got some extra ones to go onto the frame if I need them. And I have some extra ones up here in case I need to hook them on somewhere else. We have everything we need to install the trans pan and the lines. So we're going to get started in a minute here. Alright guys, so pull the pan off, check the fluid on the magnet there. Nothing's in it, just some very fine dust, which is normal. No particles at all whatsoever in there. And the fluid came out nice and clear too, so everything's good with the transmission. Now we're just going to flip this one over, put some RTV here, let it dry up. Let it dry up a little bit, put the gasket on there, and then put a little thin layer on the bottom of the transmission too. That's how I've been doing it, and mine don't never leak. Even the trans pan that the transmission shop just put on just had some leaks. A couple dribbles here and there coming out of the sides of the pan because, I don't know, they didn't put any RTV on the actual transmission. So I'm going to do it like I usually do it because there's no leaks. My friend Craig Nelson back in Michigan told me how to do that, and I've never had a leak with it before, and now there was a leak, so we go back to the way I do it. Alright guys, here we go. It's on. It's not going to leak. We just got to go around and torque all the bolts all the way around. They gave us some nice stainless steel bolts there with hex heads on them. Little washers all the way around there. Then on the other side's the MPT ports. We're going to hook that up, hook the temperature sender up to there, and then we'll fill her up. She looks good. Okay guys, so you have to do it to 105 inch-pounds. Make sure you do that. I'm kind of weird with that, so I have to do it perfectly. So I'm going to put it to 105 inch-pounds all the way around, and then I'll go one more time around and snug it all up. And then we're going to fill it up, add the extra 4 quarts, and she's going to be done.